Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Wealthfront Cash Account, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with your Wealthfront Cash Account, begin by launching the Wealthfront app or visiting the Wealthfront website. Log in with your email and password associated with your Wealthfront account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Once logged in, navigate to the Cash Account section on the dashboard. Select the option to link external account or add bank account. You will be prompted to enter your bank's details. Choose your bank from the list provided or utilize the search function. If your bank is not listed, you may need to enter the bank's routing number and your account number manually. Once you've selected or entered your bank details, click Continue. Wealthfront will then request authentication through your bank. Follow the prompts to log into your bank account using your bank's online credentials. This step typically involves entering your username and password for your bank. Wealthfront uses bank-level encryption to ensure that your information is secure. After successfully logging in, you may need to verify your identity using two-factor authentication if your bank requires it. Once you have completed the authentication process, Wealthfront will confirm the linking of your bank account. Review the information displayed to ensure everything is accurate. After verification, you may set transfer limits or choose how much to transfer to your Wealthfront Cash Account. Finally, confirm the setup by clicking on the Finish or Complete button. Your Wealthfront Cash Account is now authenticated and linked to your external bank account. You can begin transferring funds between your accounts safely and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.